What is Alcott Global? Our mission is to connect the value chain ecosystem globally. We have offices all over the world, and we first and foremost recruit board members, executive and non-executive, for some of the largest companies across the value chain, whether it is conglomerates, multinationals, as well as private equity companies. And we focus on finding the best talent to lead those companies as CEOs, Chief Supply Chain Officers, Chief Operations Officers, Heads of Manufacturing, Logistics, Procurement, across the value chain, making sure that from the moment the product is designed, all the way that it reaches the customer's hand, we are helping find the talent that makes that happen. On top of that, we build the ecosystem. We have a number of events, Makers and Movers, the Leaders in Supply Chain Awards, as well as the book From Source to Sold, in which we constantly elevate the whole industry and we try to make it better by learning from each other. That is Alcott Global, and come and help us connect the supply chain and value chain ecosystem.